Today we have a video from Real Body Cams, and the title of the video is Princess Loses It When Dad's Mustang Gets Towed.
Tell me.
If you don't calm down, relax. No, you're not. I promise you you're not.
Don't take my car!
On September 14th, 2025, a Florida deputy running speed enforcement outside the local middle school watched a black Mustang blow by at more than double the limit. He immediately lit up his lights, whipped a U-turn, and locked onto the driver. 109 miles per hour in a 50 zone, right past the middle school. Here's what the deputy did next.
That was beyond stupid, man.
Sorry.
You do realize you almost collided with another car.
Sorry.
Where's your license at?
It's in the back. In my...
And you're in there?
Yeah.
Any guns, knife, bazookas, grenade launchers, net hook parts? Do you mind if I look in it before you start? Is it in here or is it?
I think so. In my door.
Yeah.
He can't get his own ID. You gotta go looking in his bag for his ID. What? I don't know about. Come on, man.
Door. Okay.
So, ID, ma'am? You need my ID?
I'm sorry.
ID. You're participating. I my place. Do you need my ID because I wasn't driving? ID, please.
Ma'am.
But I don't understand. If I
Stop. Listen to me. Stop.
Listen, I'm not
Stop. Calm down.
I don't want to be in anything. I don't want to be throwing my ID out there if I wasn't driving.
Ma'am, calm down. I'm going to explain it to you, okay?
I get it.
Oh, no, you don't get it. I'm trying to explain it to you.
I do get it.
Okay?
Like I want you to explain.
We are stopping. I'm going to. If you stop talking, I would love to.
Go ahead. Explain.
Okay? You are in a vehicle that is being stopped. So we are requesting your driver's license because we are allowed to.
Totally get it.
Okay? So, give my
I will
partner.
be giving my ID. I just do not want to be getting in trouble for anything that I was not participating in.
So then let me have your driver's license,
It's my
please.
fault.
Will I not be
Relax.
participating in it?
I'm not going to ask you.
I was not
Listen,
driving.
I'm going to ask you one more time, and then I'm going to
I
take you out of the
totally
car,
get
and I'm
it.
going to put you in handcuffs.
But you're gonna put me in handcuffs because I wasn't participating.
Because you're not
in shit.
cooperating.
But I wasn't in shit. If I wasn't fucking driving.
I'm going to give you one last chance.
Here, my guy.
Thank you.
But I wasn't participating in the shit.
What you need.
I know there's former officers that watch me, former police officers that watch me. If there's any former officers or whatever, like, or anybody that really know, like, you know, that really know, okay, let me know. Like, as a passenger, are you required to give your ID? Because I feel like it's always been a gray area and there's been a lot of misconceptions. So, you know, I hear what the cop is saying, but sometimes they don't ask the passenger for their information and all that stuff. I mean, I always thought it was the driver. You know, I mean, if the cop asked me for my ID, I would give it anyways, but it's just, do you have to though? Because you wasn't the one driving, you know? I'm just curious about that.
I'm sorry.
Have a step back here.
I'm so sorry for all the time to read up to your worship.
Also in the racing section, she's participant.
I'm Deputy Sullivan. I'm with the Lee County Sheriff's Office Traffic Unit. The reason why I'm stopping you was 109 in a posted 50-mile-an-hour zone. Okay? Then you go the wrong way and almost collide with another vehicle. Okay? Why?
Yeah. I'm sorry. Honestly, I'm sorry. I just...
Have you had any alcoholic beverages tonight?
A little bit.
A little bit?
That's it.
Okay. All right.
I'm so sorry.
Is this address still good for you?
Okay, I understand.
That's my old address.
Okay.
At least I don't remember right now.
You don't know your address? Do you have any documentation to show your new address?
Yes.
Is it on your phone by chance?
Don't have my phone right now.
Your phone was in the bag.
That's my another phone.
Is your phone in the car?
Yes.
Is it in the door here?
Yes.
Just stay right there. Stay right there.
Yes. So you want my address?
Yes, your new address. Yes, sir.
Really, I'm so sorry. I just was enjoying my day today with my girlfriend.
The sad part is it would have been a stop and you may have gotten a court date because of your speed.
If something happened, just it's only my fault, not her. It's me.
I just need your new address.
That's my address.
How long have we been at this new address?
3 months, 6 months. I don't remember right now, but it's around.
There's a big difference between 3 and 6 months, bruh. Come on, man.
6 months.
Are you willing to submit to a field sobriety exercise to dispel my fears that you're driving while under the influence?
Sorry.
Are you do you speak English or
I need a bit.
traffic at headquarters? Do we have an available translator for Spanish, please?
That's her car.
Well, it's actually not her car.
Yes.
No, it's registered to somebody else.
Her dad.
Just do me a favor. Just go stand over there with my partner, please. Thank you.
Her dad died.
Okay, but the car's still registered to him.
Yeah, I know, but her dad. Her dad died, and he's still paying the car. I was just driving her car.
How do you guys tell me what you're gonna do?
As they wait for a translator, the driver remains calm while the passenger is getting more upset.
Listen,
I need you to tell
listen.
me what you're doing my car.
Stop.
I need you to tell me.
If you don't calm down,
I'm
relax.
calm.
No,
I'm
you're
being
not.
calm.
I
I'm
promise
being
you, you're
calm.
not. No, you're not.
I've been calm as f***. It's just I don't know what you guys are gonna f***ing do in my car, and I'm stressed the f*** out. I need you
Listen,
to tell me.
stop. If you don't calm down, we're gonna have you have a seat in one of our patrol cars.
I don't need a f***ing seat.
Then you need to
I just
relax.
need you guys to tell me what the f*** happened with my fucking car. That's all I need.
I'm gonna give it to you one more
I'm
time.
not trying to be a dick. I just need
Take a breather, relax, okay? Because you acting like this is not gonna get this situation to go any faster.
Do.
I need you to
I'm
relax.
stressing out right
I will
now.
tell you everything that's going on once I get to that point. But right now, we're not gonna tell you.
You're stressing out because you're driving a car that's not yours. It's your dead father's. You got some random guy driving your dead father's vehicle. Not even in your name or nothing. Oh yeah, I'd be stressed too. God, he rolling over in his grave right now, man. He like got some random dude just driving my shit, man. Pissed, bro. He probably worked hard too. He was working hard for his.
What's going on until I figure out what's going on, okay? So I need you to relax because I can't focus on you and focus on him.
It.
I don't think you do.
I just want to know
Because I want to go home at night.
So do I. You,
Okay.
You think I'm going to be here right fucking now when I work
I'm sure
tomorrow
you don't.
at 5:30 in the morning? I don't
So,
fucking want to do it.
I need you to breathe, relax, okay? Otherwise, we're going to have you have a seat in the car.
I know.
Okay?
Yeah.
Fair enough? All right, stay cool, calm, and collected for me.
She's like
I understand.
her dad.
I get it, but at the same time, I got to have her calm.
I don't explain how.
Get it for me.
What?
Go and pay the alcohol. I do the car right now. I'm not trying to be an asshole.
Can you do me a favor? Can you go under the car and get it?
Go back to the guy over here. You can grab it, Alex. Yep. I couldn't.
Thank you. Yeah, come back over here, partner.
Yes.
Hey, I'm gonna need you to help me translate for a DUI. Put his feet together, arms to his side.
Ponga los pies juntos y las manos a los lados, por favor.
Touch the top of my pen for me. Perfecto. Go ahead and begin.
¿Cuál es el mensaje?
1014 was the pre-thing.
Left,
Izquierda,
right,
derecha,
left.
izquierda.
You're now being placed under arrest for driving while under the influence. Do you understand all of that? See or no?
Yeah.
All right. Have a seat for me.
You guys are not gonna take my car. Please don't take my car.
You need to relax.
Please don't take my car. You can't take my car. You can't take my
That's
fucking
what-
car.
So I got
Get my
keys.
mom to pick up my car. Please don't pick up my car.
Where's your phone?
I don't know. Somewhere like our don't take my car. My dad's not here to.
See, because that's gonna be a tough one, right? Because when they impound the vehicle, when they impound the vehicle, the owner has to come pick it up, right? See, that's what happens when you're doing backhanded shady shit, man. He died. Y'all supposed to transfer the stuff or whatever the case may be, like in the proper person name or whatever. Y'all supposed to take care of business. You think you're just gonna drive around a dead person car forever? Like what type of what? No, it don't work like that. It does not work like that. Oh yeah, that car gone. That shit is gone. That shit is gone.
I got my car and it's dead. It's under his fucking name. Please don't take my fucking car. Please don't take my fucking car. Don't fucking take my car. That's all I'm asking for.
All right, well, come out of the car, please.
Let her go.
You can call your mom out of the car.
Don't take my fucking car. I'm begging you. Don't take my fucking car. I'm begging you.
Come over here. I don't want you to get hit by a car.
Don't take
Come over here. I don't want you to get hit by a car. Do not touch. Come on.
Mommy, venga, Naples, y le cojo mi casa, por favor. Yo tengo no voy a poner nada y tú sabes que no lo puedo pagar.
All right. Thank you. Car's
No,
locked.
toque, venga, cojo mi carro.
Do you want me to tell your mother where you're at?
Somebody needs to come and pick you up.
Mami, recoja mi carro, Naples, please.
You're not in Naples.
You're not in Naples.
You're in Fort Myers.
Fort Myers Beach?
Bass Road.
Do you want me to tell her where you're at?
Do you speak English?
Okay, that's fine. Do you speak any English, ma'am?
Habla inglés?
No, no hablo inglés.
No habla inglés. I don't know how to.
Okay.
You want to get it? You want to get an Uber and go home?
No, I want my car to get fucking home.
Tell her you're at Bass Road and Summerlin Road.
Mami, te voy a mandar la invitación.
Somebody needs to come pick you up.
Que venga a recogerme el carro. Se lo voy a llevar. Igual que le I don't have the money to pick up the fucking car.
And once I put you in the
Let her fucking take the car. Let me take the fucking car with me home.
Listen, it's either you get somebody to come pick you up or get
Why
an
the fuck
Uber,
is he picking my car
or you're
with
gonna go to jail.
fucking
for
take
public-
me to jail.
Okay.
What the fuck am I gonna do? What the fuck? Why are you gonna take me to jail? Why are you gonna take me to jail? Let me
You're gonna get a
fucking
resisting charge.
Let me take my mom the car. Let me take to the fucking
Oh my God, she kicked the cop.
Let me take to the fucking car. Why am I gonna go to jail? Let me take
roll over.
So she wanted to go to jail.
Now.
I thought you wanted to go to jail. What happened? What happened? You was talking tough shit. Get your ass together.
Please let me take to the code. Please don't be like that. Please don't be like that. Please don't be like that. Please don't be like that.
You cannot bite me.
Don't be like that. I'm going through my shit. Don't be like that. Let me take my mom the fucking pink card.
Get the head back so she don't bite you.
No.
You can't bite
I
us.
don't think I'm fucking work.
You drew freaking blood from where you bit me.
I didn't fucking drive blood, you dumb bitch.
I guess
I didn't fucking draw blood from you, man. You didn't let me take the fucking address to my mom, bro. You're gonna take the fucking car from me. You guys are gonna take my fucking car from me.
You get the other arm?
Stop fucking, I can't fucking breathe, you dumb bitch. I can't fucking
Stop resisting.
I can't
Right now.
breathe.
Stop resisting and kicking me. Stop.
You
You
guys-
understand? You
guys
stop.
told you guys to take my fucking car. You guys still did it.
Well, now you're going to jail for a felony.
Yeah, f- you. Call my mom. You dumb motherfucker. Why are you pulling me like? Why are you pulling me like that? Can you not fucking grab me? Stop. Ow! Ow!
Fix her
Ow!
bikini.
Ow!
Fix her bikini.
Take my bikini because his dumb dick face is fucking pushing me over. Stop being a dick, bro. I haven't done shit to you this entire time. How do you go to my fucking job, you dick face? Take my fucking thing.
That's blood from biting me.
You're a fucking bitch!
Following the incident, he was charged with DUI, failure to obey a traffic control device, and operating a vehicle at over 100 miles per hour. He was held on a $2,250 bond, which he later posted. He initially entered a plea of not guilty. However, he later appeared in court, changing his plea to no contest, and the judge adjudicated him guilty on all charges. He was sentenced to 13 days in jail, with credit for 11 days already served, followed by 12 months of probation. His driver's license was revoked for 6 months, and his vehicle was ordered to be impounded for 10 days. Additionally, he was required to complete DUI school and a high-risk driver's course and pay various fines, court costs, and attorney fees. Following the incident, she was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer and disorderly intoxication. She was held on a $3,000 bond, which she later posted. Though she initially entered a plea of not guilty, she ultimately changed her plea to guilty on both charges. She was sentenced to 2 days in jail, 30 days in a day work program, and 36 months of probation. Additionally, she was ordered to attend an 18-week anger management program, submit a DNA sample to the state law enforcement database, and pay $733 in restitution, alongside court costs and attorney fees.
Unbelievable. Damn, so she couldn't post bail for 2 days, and it took him 11 days to post bail. That's why they had, oh my God, this is just, that car is cooked. Yeah, they're nuts. I see why they're together. You know what I'm saying? The guy, he's a little bit more mellow, but he's driving all over the place. Yeah. And she's batshit crazy, man. She is really just on another level. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.